In this video, I'm going to show you a fantastic hack so you can message anybody for free on LinkedIn. This can save you up to $260 a year. So to highlight the value of this, I want to show you how the setup is normally. So say Marvin here, I'd like to send him a message. I'm not connected with him directly. You can see here he is the third connection, so he's kind of a connection of a connection. Now you can see here that there's no option to send him a message. All I see is this option to send an InMail, and if I click on this, you can see LinkedIn is then pushing me to upgrade to their premium product because this is a premium feature to message people you're not connected with directly. And then even if I select the lowest price plan, you can see that's about $22, about $260 a year. So I'm going to show you how you can save that fee just by using this simple trick. So what you want to do is come back to LinkedIn, then you want to come in to work here, and you want to click into groups, and then you want to click into the groups that you've joined, or you could set this up afterwards. And now what I could do is I can message anybody in this group absolutely for free. So Marvin here, for example, I can come back and reply directly to him. And now I can message him for free just because we're in the same group together. So that's a way that you get around that fee. You don't have to pay for InMail. All you have to do is join the groups where your target audience are. Now, one handy thing that you can do is say if you're not sure what groups to join, you can come to somebody's profile, maybe a perfect ideal customer. You can scroll down to the bottom. And then in here, you can see some of the interests or groups that they're a member of. So if I open this up, then I can ask to join this group. And then you could see that in here, there's 234,000 people that I could message for free now. So that is the simple trick, the way to get around paying the price for this premium feature. Just go in and join the groups where your target audience are already members. You just scroll to the end of the profile and find those groups with huge amount of members so that you can join those groups and then message all those people for free. So go ahead and try out that InMail hack for yourself right now, or put it in your back pocket for later.